Hey there! Frustrated with your Vizio TV displaying no signal? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many Vizio TV owners have encountered this issue, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as incorrect input selection, loose cables, or issues with the source device. In this guide, we'll cover effective methods on how to fix your Vizio TV when it says no signal and get your entertainment back on track. Step 1. Check the input source. The first step in resolving a no signal issue is to verify that your TV is set to the correct input source. Grab your Vizio remote and press the input or source button to cycle through available inputs such as HDMI, AV, or TV. Ensure that your selected input corresponds to the source device you're using, like a cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. This simple check often resolves the issue if the TV is on the wrong input channel. Step 2. Inspect the cables and connections. Loose or defective cables can easily disrupt the signal to your TV. Power off both your TV and the external device you are attempting to use. Unplug the HDMI or AV cables from both the TV and the device, then reconnect them securely. Ensure there are no visible cable damages or frayed wires. If you suspect a faulty cable, try using a different cable or testing the existing one with another device to verify its functionality. Step 3. Reset your devices. Sometimes a quick reset can do the trick. Begin by unplugging your Vizio TV from the power outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Meanwhile, reset your source device, whether it's a set-top box, DVR, or console, by unplugging it from the power source for the same duration. Once both devices are rebooted, check if the signal has returned. Step 4. Update the TV firmware. Keeping your Vizio TV's firmware up to date is crucial to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with external devices. First, navigate to the TV's settings menu using the remote. Look for the System or About section and select Check for Updates. Follow the prompts to update the firmware if a new version is available. Updating may resolve any compatibility issues, causing the signal error. Step 5. Examine the source device. If the issue persists, there may be a problem with the source device itself. Verify that the device is powered on and functioning correctly. Connect it to a different TV or display to rule out any malfunctions. If the device works on another display, try replacing the Vizio TV's assigned HDMI input with another one to see if the issue is with the specific port. Fixing a no signal message on your Vizio TV might seem daunting, but with these steps on how to fix your Vizio TV when it says no signal, you'll be back to watching your favorite shows in no time. By checking your input sources, inspecting cable connections, resetting your devices, updating firmware, and inspecting the source device, you can diagnose and resolve most signal issues yourself. Remember, if you've tried all these steps and still experience trouble, contacting Vizio support or a professional technician might be your next best step. Enjoy the seamless TV experience and your favorite programs with minimal disruptions.